Just a quick update on the JP3. Actually, it's a more modern engine. On the plate it says JK, and this explains why the changeover valves are plugged in from factory. This head and another head are original to the engine. In fact, one has the starting valve, the air starting valve. One of the heads, which is this one, wasn't original for sure, as this had a changeover valve like on the JP and the CS. And what they did was, let me show you, wait a second. This was a changeover valve. You can see the thread inside there, and just plugged it with welding to make like the other. But what they did wrong, they didn't insert it, this piece, in the cylinder head. So the compression was low on this cylinder, and therefore it was full of carbon. What I did, I dismantled the other head to copy this combustion chamber, and this is the one I made. As you can see, it's not exactly like the other. That's because this head has the hole smaller and not deeper like the other one, as it meant to be for the compression changeover valve. What I did, I just bored this hole and cleared it and made this to suit with the same compression. What I did on this, I just cut it, filled it with welding, and made it like the original. Now that goes there, and same as the other. And two heads are identical now, and the other has the air start mechanism. I just need to grind the valves for all three and paint the heads as well. Thanks for watching.